That's your BFF. She always keep it real, yep, always got your back. The mother phony chickens, they talk behind your back, but not your BFF. That's your BFF. She even lied to your man. She don't never snitch. No for chick talk slick. Yep, she don't slap it.
Drop top, smoking, no cooking, the hot pot. Fucking on your bitch, yeah, that. Cooking up dope in the crock pot. We came from nothing to something, nigga. Hey. I don't trust nobody, grip the trick. Nobody call up the gang and they come and get gang. Cry me a river, give you a tissue. It's bad and bullshit, bad. Cooking up dope with a Uzi. My niggas are savage, ruthless. We got.
Hi Bells, it is your girl Country Curls coming to you guys today with another video, and in today's video I will be doing a Q&A on my natural hair. So if you guys want to know more about my natural hair, then keep on watching. Also, I know I have been gone for a while, you guys, but you know I'm back and I'm ready to get back into it. So to all my new subscribers, welcome to my channel. I appreciate you subscribing. And to all my ride or dies, thank you guys for always supporting me. I love you guys so much. So let's get into it. So I wanted to do a Q&A coming back to my channel because I get asked a lot all the time about my natural hair, how I keep it so healthy, how I get it to grow so fast, and things like that. So I asked you guys on Instagram and on my Facebook to ask me some questions that you guys wanted to know the answers to about my natural hair. So the first question I got asked was, how often do I shampoo my hair? Well, I shampoo my hair once a month. And the reason why I shampoo my hair once a month because my hair really don't like shampoos like that. If you guys been following me for a while, you guys know that I have high porosity hair, and what that means is even though my hair is easy to take in moisture, it's also easy for my hair to lose moisture. So shampoo is not really a thing for my hair. And then when I do shampoo my hair, I always make sure I use a clarifying shampoo. That way my hair won't be stripped of the oils that I already need in my hair because I have high porosity hair. And you can find clarifying shampoos anywhere. You can find it at Walmart, your local Target, your beauty supply store, just basically wherever hair care products are sold. But yes, I shampoo my hair once a month. The next question I got asked was, do you deep condition your hair regularly, and what are your go-to deep conditioners? Yes, I deep condition regularly. Deep condition is very important for us girls, or yes, for us girls and us men, because I know I have my guy friends with their beautiful natural hair also. But yeah, deep condition is very important for our natural hair, whether you in the 1 range, the 2 range, the 3 range, or the 4 range. And when I mean that, I mean the 1 ABC, the 2 ABC, the 3 ABC, and the 4 ABC. It doesn't matter. Deep conditioning is very important, you guys. And I deep condition once a week. And sometimes I do it twice. It depends on how dry my hair is. But yes, I deep condition all the time. Deep conditioning for me is very important. Sometimes I even do a overnight deep condition. And if you guys want to see that video, I do have it on my channel. So please go and check it out. And some of my favorite deep conditioners are from the Shea Moisture brand. I just love Shea Moisture's deep condition. They're so thick, so rich, so creamy. My hair loves their deep condition. I love the Shea Moisture Manuka and Mafura Honey line. That is amazing. I love that line. I love the Jamaican Black Castor Oil line. I love that line. That line is amazing. But yeah, Shea Moisture has some of the best deep conditions ever. And if you don't have the money to fork out the bucks for Shea Moisture, there are quite a few bargain brands at Walgreens or CVS, like the Daily Defense kind. I love that kind too. They're very quick and easy. Also, Garnier Fructis just came out with some new deep conditioner lines. I love those. They're like quick 1 minute treatments, and I absolutely love them. They're so amazing, so rich, so creamy. Cause like I said, my hair love thick and creamy products because I do have high porosity hair. So yes, I deep condition. It is important, very important. The next question I got asked is, do you use the lock method or the LCO method to keep moisture in your hair? I use I actually use both. I started out using the lock method, which is the LOC method, which is the leave-in first, your oil, and then a cream. But I've been noticing lately that my hair has gotten used to just using the lock method. So for the past 3 or 4 weeks, I've been using the LCO method, which is the leave-in, the cream, and then the oil. And I've noticed a big difference in my hair. As you guys can see, the shine, and my hair holds the moisture a little bit better with that method as well. So I've been loving using that method as well. The next question I got asked was, what do you do and use to keep your scalp so healthy? Um, I do a lot of things to keep my scalp healthy. Like I said, if you guys have been following me for a long time on my channel, I always tell you guys this: your scalp is the most important part of your hair, because without a healthy scalp, there is no healthy hair or no healthy hair growth. So it's very important that you guys take care of your scalp. It's very important. And things I like to do to treat my scalp is um, I love to use tea tree oil in my hair. It's very soothing, very penetrating, very moisturizing. It has a tingling feeling to it. I like to do my tea tree oil treatments to my hair. I love that. I also like to do my aloe vera treatments, and I do have a video on that on my channel. And I also talk about the aloe vera that I use in my big container, because if you guys know me, you guys know that I buy my stuff in bulks because I don't have time to keep constantly going to the store every time you turn around trying to get products and things like that. So yeah, I love doing my aloe vera treatments. I tend to do those overnight. I love how it makes my scalp feel. I love how it cleans my scalp. I love how it moisturizes my scalp. I love it so much. It's like I said, it's very important to maintain a healthy scalp. And like I say, if you're going to shampoo, and if you shampoo more than I do, then you need to use a clarifying shampoo. Make sure you strip your hair of all the buildup and things that you put in your hair throughout the week or whatever. So yes, it's very important to have a healthy scalp. Because like I said, without a healthy scalp, there is no healthy hair and there is no healthy hair growth. So before anything, your scalp is the most important. So you guys take care of your scalp. The next question I got asked was, how often do you trim your hair? I trim my hair every 6 months. That's twice a year. And if I need to dust my ends in between those times, I do too. And the reason why I'm able to only trim my hair every 6 months is because I take really good care of my hair, guys. I really strive on having long, healthy hair. If it was up to me, I prefer having short, healthy hair than long, damaged hair any day. So, yes, I trim my hair every 6 months, so that's twice a year. And like I said, in between time, I dust my hair. And if you guys want to see how I trim my hair, I also have a video on my channel on how I trim my hair. So go and check that out. So the next question I got asked was, what are some of your go-to styles? Well, if you, like I said, if you guys been following me a lot, whether it's on YouTube, Instagram, or Facebook, um, my favorite go-to style is a twist style, which is what I'm wearing right now. I absolutely love it. I love the definition it gives me. I love how big it is. I love how defined it is. And it's very easy and simple to do. I don't have to be in my hair all the time. And this twist style right here is a chunky twist style. I've been doing chunky twist styles a lot lately since my hair has gotten so thick and so long. So, and it's been way easier and less time consuming with me doing chunky two-strand twists. I also love to do flat twists on my hair as a protective style. I leave it in for about a week and then I take it down. I just let the waves or the crinkles or whatever you want to call it just flow. I love flat twists. I love to have my hair in buns a lot, especially when my twist out or my flat twist or my wash and go goes bad. I am quick to throw this hair up in a bun in a minute. It is simple, fast, and easy. And I also like to do Bantu knots. Bantu knots is a very easy go-to style for me too. The only thing is about that is sleeping. I cannot sleep on Bantu knots, but I deal with it because I know the end results are going to be everything. And all these, the twists, the flat twists, the buns, and the Bantu knots, I do have videos on my channel, you guys, showing you guys how I do those styles. So if you guys are interested, then please go and check out those videos. The next question I got asked was, what are your go-to products for styling and maintaining cold? My go-to products for styling my hair is, like I said, because I have high porosity, all I need is a good cream, an amazing oil, and a bomb gel. That's as simple as I can put it. If I got all three of those together, I know my style is going to be everything and then some. So, for example, a good cream for me would be the Shea Moisture's Curl Enhancing Smoothie. I really love that. It's really thick, it's really creamy, it's really moisturizing. Also, the Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil leave-in, that's also amazing. It's not as creamy as the Curl Enhancing Smoothie, but the consistency of it is very amazing. It's very rich once you put it in the hair. It has amazing slip, which I love. I cannot use a product that don't have slip. That's just a waste of my time. If you don't have no slip, I ain't trying to use you. But yeah, it has to have amazing slip. Now for my oil, if you guys been watching your girl for a long time, you guys know that I'm in love with the coconut oil. My hair absolutely loves it. It absolutely absorbs it. It keeps my hair moisturizing, shiny for days on. So yeah, I absolutely love coconut oil. And for my gel, of course, I am an eco styler girl. I've been doing it since I've been natural, so I absolutely love eco styler gel. Some of my favorites are the Eco Styler Olive Oil. I like the Eco Styler Black Castor and Flaxseed Oil Gel. I love that one. And I also love the Eco Styler's Cream Styling Gels. Those are very good. It works very well when I want to do a wash and go. So yes, long as I have a bomb cream, an amazing oil, and a good gel, I'm good to go. All those three combined, I know my hair is gonna be everything and then some. So the next question I got asked is, did you transition or big chop when you went natural? Well, I big chopped, you guys, and I actually big chopped twice. I big chopped in 2011, and when I say I big chopped, I had like a fade, and then I let a year go by, and then I turn around and I big chopped all over again in 2013. So that's how I transitioned. I big chop. And if you're too scared to do the big chop, you guys can always transition. It's so many videos out there on how you can transition. You know, as you transition and your hair grows, you do want to chop off that your relaxed hair and everything, so that you can maintain your natural hair as it grows out. So you want to always make sure that you trim your your relaxed hair. But yeah, you can big chop or you can transition, whatever makes you comfortable, whatever you are comfortable with, that's what you do. The last question I got asked were, what are some of your top brands to use for your hair? Well, of course, I love Shea Moisture. I'm a big Shea Moisture fan. I love those guys so much. I like Cream of Nature. I love Cream of Nature products. Products are very moisturizing, very thick, like I like, and things like that. I love the Pantene Gold series. I absolutely love that. It makes my hair so moisturizing and everything. So I absolutely love Pantene Gold series. Um, who else? Let's see what else I like. I don't know, you guys. It's just so many out there. I like Uncle Funky's daughter. I cannot forget about them. I love them guys. I love them guys so much. They have very thick, rich, creamy, moisturizing products. So I love Uncle Funky's daughters. Yeah. I just, like I say, I just really tend to go for products that are very thick, rich, and creamy. And if the brand comes with leave-ins and stuff, I like my leave-ins to have like slip and everything to it. So yeah, when it comes to products, like I say, I try them all. But if I don't like them, if they not, like I said, have the thickness that I like and the moisture that I need, then I tend not to just go back to those products. But I'm willing to try any product once. I mean, come on, hey, how you gonna know that your hair like it or don't like it if you don't try it out? So that is the end of this video, you guys. I hope this video was very informative to you guys. Like I say, I'm so excited to be back and talking to you guys. I have so much in mind for my channel. There's so many videos up to come, so make sure you guys subscribe. And when y'all subscribe to my channel, make sure you guys hit that bell button so you guys won't miss anything that I upload on my channel. And I just want to say I love you guys so much. I miss you guys. And as always, bye, Bells. See you guys in the next one. Bye.
She always keep it real.